Hey everyone, today we're out here at Finspeed Racing Wheels, ceramic coating a set of wheels for a client. Now we're going to show you shortly the aluminum before it becomes a beautiful wheel that we're going to ceramic coat, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about Finspeed and a little bit about the benefits of ceramic coating your wheels. So first, Finspeed is all in Texas. It's made here in Texas near Austin, near Circuit of the Americas. They started off as a small business just like us, so we love working with Finspeed and we love coating wheels for Finspeed. So now I'm going to show you a little bit about the process, and just stick around and I'm going to show you that cool footage. Now you probably hate cleaning your wheels just like we do, so that's why we apply a ceramic coating to the wheels. It bonds to the surface and it makes brake dust that much easier to clean up, and for this client, much easier to clean up after a rigorous track day at Circuit of the Americas. Now the first step when we ceramic coat a wheel is we apply some tape on the barrel to illustrate to the person mounting the tires the ring, which actually goes all the way around the wheel, even though it only has about a 12-inch section of tape. It shows them where is not ceramic coated, so there is no issue putting wheel weights there for balancing the wheel and tire after the tires are mounted. We then apply a high temp ceramic coating that can also be applied to brake calipers to ensure maximum longevity, especially on track application. Okay, I promised you a cool inside look at what a forged wheel looks like when it first starts out. Are you ready? So it starts as this ugly smushed piece of aluminum at the bottom, slowly takes shape to a customized wheel that is designed by Finspeed for your needs and your application, be it the track or cars and coffee, you name it. Offsets and everything is taken into consideration when designing your wheel. And then we come in, if you choose the option, and we ceramic coat these wheels so that your brand new gorgeous Finspeed racing wheels are now protected and easy to clean up after a track day or after a cars and coffee. It doesn't matter.